Are you tired of hair fall, thinning hair, or slow hair growth? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this powerful DIY hair growth oil using natural ingredients. If you are interested in knowing how to make this oil, keep watching. Welcome back, guys. In making this hair growth oil, we have here the first one is hibiscus leaf, the second one is neem powder, the third one is fenugreek seed, this right here is star anise, the fifth one is black seed, the sixth one is cloves, the seventh one is rosemary powder, and the last one is moringa powder. These are the herbs we are going to be using to infuse into oil to make our hair growth oil. Let me give you a rundown of the powerful benefits of these herbs right here. The first one, which is hibiscus leaves, promotes hair growth and adds shine to your hair. Neem powder fights dandruff and improves scalp health. Fenugreek seed is rich in protein and is great for strengthening the root of your hair. Star anise improves blood flow to the scalp. Black seed prevents thinning and add volume to your hair. Cloves, on the other hand, stimulate hair follicles, while rosemary boosts hair growth and prevents breakage. Moringa, on the other hand, is packed with vitamins A, E, and zinc for healthy scalp. These are the powerful benefits found in these herbs that make them ideal for hair growth. When you use these herbs, incorporate them in your hair care products, it's going to make your hair grow massively and you have a very healthy hair. Okay, guys, if you're new here, hi, welcome to Clara's Corner. In this channel, we make DIY videos of different products. So if you've not subscribed, please do so. Hit that subscribe button right before you and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our new upload. Thank you. So guys, the next thing to do is to get a glass jar and put all these herbs together into a glass jar. Okay, guys, the next thing to do is to get our carrier oils that will be pouring into the herbs for infusion. Okay guys, here is a very potent hair growth oil. How to use this oil is to massage this oil into your scalp 2 to 3 times in a week. Leave it on your hair until your next hair wash day with natural hair growth shampoo. Like the one I posted before this video, you can go check the video out to know how to make the natural hair growth shampoo. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural DIY beauty tips, and hit that bell icon to be notified anytime I post another video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.